Hello, my name is Heath. I do pay dirt reviews, and this is going to be a pay dirt review for you. We're going to do this pay dirt right here. After I run the intro, we'll talk about this pay dirt. All right, we're back, and this is the pay dirt we're doing. It's Vendetta. Its dirt type is Turkey Creek, and it's got 1 gram of gold in it, guaranteed. Let's open it up and we'll look at it, classify it, then we'll pan it.
Yeah, I can't do that. I can't do that. I was going to try to be a pay dirt reviewer like I've seen on YouTube. I can't do that. Ugh. Yeah, we got a pay dirt review. It is Vendetta Prospecting. It is Turkey Creek. It is 1 gram. And there's the bag. Let's do the thumbnail. I'm looking it up online, and it actually went up since I bought it. I paid $98 for it. Tax zero, shipping zero, $98 out the door. Wonderful price for the pay dirt. I got online because I couldn't remember what I paid for it, and I just tried to look it up on the website, and he's actually bumped it up. It's even out of stock. But the price on it before it went out of stock was $105, but it was $98 when I bought it, and that was about a month ago. So gold prices, they keep going up, so they're selling it for more. So the description on this one: Turkey Creek pay dirt is right from one of the most productive placers in Arizona, located south central Yavapai County. This is an unsearched 2 to 3 pound bag of pay dirt from an Arizona hotspot. These are prepared in small batches using gold-bearing pay dirt from Arizona. This is classified to -1/2 inch, and all the large rocks have been removed. That area concentrates heavy black sands and very fine gold, which naturally is present in the material. There is a minimum of 1 grams of gold added to a guaranteed. Why can't I do this? There is a minimum of 1 gram. There is a minimum of 1 grams of gold added to guarantee a nice return, and you'll have the option to add more if you would like. Well, let's try this again. Here's the description. Wish me luck, because I can't read tonight for some reason. Turkey Creek pay dirt is right from one of the most productive placers in Arizona, located south central Yavapai County. This is an unsearched 2 to 3 pound bag of pay dirt from an Arizona hotspot. These are prepared in small artisanal batches. This is classified to -1/2 inch, and all of the large rocks have been removed. That area concentrates heavy black sands and very fine gold, which naturally is present in the material. There is a minimum of 1 grams of gold added to guarantee a nice return, and you have the option to add more gold if you would like. Because our pay dirt is unsearched, there will be organic matter, and we recommend filtering that out with a strainer if your water gets too dirty. Please message us with any questions. We can be found on YouTube as well. It does say the difficulty level is 7 out of 10. There's the description, and I'm hoping this is going to be a quick pay dirt review, because the last few that I've done have been just agonizingly long. Let's just shut up and let's look at it. Okay, there's the material. We're going to start out with our 1/4 inch classifier. I'll do that in regular speed, and then I will fast forward the rest like I always do. There is the 4 mesh, or the 1/4 inch. Let's do the rest fast. Here we are. So we got 6 classifications. This right here is everything plus 4 mesh, followed by the 10 mesh, the 20 mesh, the 40 mesh, the 60 mesh, the -60 mesh, and then all of that magnetics. That's right. I went ahead and pulled out all the magnetics. They're out of the way. There was a lot of them, and even some big ones too. We're going to go ahead and get that one out of the way because there will be no gold in that, and then we'll start with the -60 and work our way up. You know what's next? We got to go over here, and we got to go to overhead. So let's do that right now. All right, we got some fresh clean water. We are ready to pan. And by the way, he did send me 2 stickers. I forgot to bring them down, but yeah, he left me some stickers. I'll put them somewhere on my wall. So let's get this out of the way. We know there's not going to be any gold in it. This is all that +4 or 1/4 inch. I'm looking for quartz. Plus, you never know. There could be a super tiny piece of gold stuck to one of these rocks. All right, I think I got it all. So let's just real fast pan all that out. Yeah, no go. So we're done with that. Now we can get to the nitty gritty and start looking for some gold. And we're going to start with the -60. So let's go ahead and start panning it. Get that first poof of smoke. Okay, guys, that was pretty easy to pan. Let's do a quick tap. Oh yeah, we got some flour gold in here. I'm gonna have to be very careful panning this back. All right, I think that is as good as I'm gonna be able to get it. There is all of that super fine floury gold. There's a piece right here. I gotta repan that because I saw that piece take off. I will suck that up, but first I will take a photo of it with my phone and then we will move on to the plus 60. All right, so there is the first bit of that super fine gold. All right, suck it up, move on. Plus 60, we'll do this and then 2, and let's start panning. I think that is good enough. Tap that one back, and yes sir, we got a lot of gold. There it is. Lots and lots of little bitty pieces of gold. I will take a foam pick of that and then we'll go to the next batch. And there it is. I've already stratified the rest of the plus 60, so we're just ready to pan it. Good enough. We'll tap that back. A bunch more little tiny flakes and or pieces of flour gold, fly poop, whatever you want to call them. Another phone shot and we're done with the plus 60 and we will move on to the 40 mesh. And there it is. 40 mesh. There it is. We got a lot of 40 mesh, so we'll probably do this in 3. We'll stratify. Oh my God.
You're ugly, you're disgusting, I'm gonna kill you, give me $200.
That didn't come out right. We'll stratify it and then I'll be back. Jesus. All right, here we go. I think that's good enough. Quick tap and probably about 30-40 pieces. And there is that gold plus something or another in there. It's a few black sands. I'll suck it up, clean it later. Here is the next batch of the 40 mesh. I've already stratified, so let's pan. Yeah, after getting all of the magnetics out of this pay dirt, it is super easy to pan out. So there it is, the next batch, another 30-40 pieces. We got one more batch to go. So this is all I've got left of the 40 mesh. It's right here, it's a lot too, but I'm gonna dump every bit of that in. Lots of itty bitty flakes. I will suck all those up and we are done with the 40 mesh. We still have 20 and 10 left. And looking at my snupper bottle, I mean, geez, we've got maybe 1/4 of a gram so far. 20 mesh. We'll do that much. All right, quick tap. We got 5 of them, and there they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I'll go ahead and do a phone cam shot of that, and then we'll suck it up. There is those 20 mesh pieces, and something floating in my water. Doing a drive-by. Like a leaf. Just like, doobie-doobie-doo, just passing through. And there is the next batch. It's already been stratified. Let's pan. Quick tap. So yeah, 5 more pieces. And we've got one more pan of the 20 mesh and then we are done with that. And here we go. Ooh, I don't know if we got any in this round. I don't think we did. That's not good. Maybe one. Let's pan it back and see. Oh, and I'm right. We got one piece of gold. There it is. One flat piece. So that is all of the 20 mesh. And this is all we have left. This is all the 10 mesh plus 10 minus quarter. Wow, I'm actually going to get a pay dirt review done in one night. That's amazing. Let's pan it. Quartz. What the hell? Is that the magic word? I say the word quartz and my lights go out? What the hell? I gotta fix that light. I say it every damn review when my lights go out and I never fix it. I think we shot a blank. Let me say it 3 more times. I think we shot a blank. We shot a blank. Ruh-roh. This is it. The last hurrah. And I haven't seen any gold. Maybe I've already got my ground. I don't know. I did not get any gold. No gold. Well, we're done. I hope I got a gram, but I sure as hell did not expect that. I thought that I would at least get a piece in that 10 mesh. I didn't get a single thing. Anyway, I'm going to clean it, dry it, take it upstairs. We'll weigh it, get a value, all that good stuff. All right, I'll see you guys upstairs in a few minutes. We are up in the room like I always do when it's time to weigh the gold, and it is time to weigh the gold. It's just a bunch of small flakes and flour gold. There it is right there. Lots of little bitty flakes. We are zeroed out. We are on grams. 1.091 is what we got. So you know what's next. We'll get on a computer, we'll get a value, we'll get an ROI. So let's do that right now. 1.091, I think is what it was. We will call it 24 karat gold, natural placer gold. Gold price is $29.35.99. Calculate 102.98. So we'll take that over here. 102.98. I paid $98. Calculate 105% return. That's awesome. That is a good return. I was underwhelmed with this pay dirt, even though I did get a great return. It was all super small flakes and flour gold, not even a single picker. It was just a gram guarantee. Super easy to pan. He put a 7 out of 10 for the difficulty, but once you get the magnetics out, it just glided right off the pan. And I bought that at the perfect time because it jacked up to $105 for that bag versus the $98 that I paid. So there was the difference right there in the gold value. And the way gold prices are just skyrocketing, yeah, I'm trying to buy as many pay dirt bags as I can before they keep going up, up, and up. All right. That's it for that pay dirt review. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't like asking you guys to subscribe. Every single time I do a review, I end it with, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also to like, share, notification bell. I'm not going to do that this time. I'm just going to say thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you on my next review. Until then, peace and love. Bye.